Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse, and today I will be revealing how we turned our bathroom circa 1984, boom, to 2020. Facelift for under $1,000, I'm pretty sure. I should check the receipts. And it looks incredible, and I'm so excited, and we did it all ourselves. And by ourselves, I mean my husband Dean did it, because if you can't be handsome, you may as well be handy. But he's also handsome. We bought this house in June of last year. Love it. So much to love about this property. The backyard, it's like I'm living in a park, and I love it. I'll share some more videos about the house and the buying and the vlogs if you enjoy that kind of content. So in the eye or down below in a playlist. When it comes to renovations, we approach it like real people, because we are real people, but we try to do it in an inexpensive way, in a way that makes sense for our family, and it takes time. It takes time, it takes money, and it takes skill. My husband, Dean, is a pilot in his regular life, but he's very capable when it comes to home renovations, and the DIY situation is right up his alley. So what were we working with, you might ask? It was a bathroom from the 80s, 100%. This house was built in the 80s, and the vibe was just not our style. So we're talking a pumpkin spice colored wall with Mexico-themed tiles and sliding shower doors. I mean, there was even like a red lamp, like a heating lamp. Not really our vibe. Every time I walked into that bathroom, I felt sad. Which is unfortunate, because just think how many times a day you use the bathroom, And it was really starting to weigh me down. And I had one of those moments, like if anyone's married or in a partnership of some kind, where you're just like, I can't take it anymore. This bathroom is killing me. And so we finally tackled it. Our plan for the facelift was definitely cosmetic. How can we make it look fresh, functional, but not break the bank? So those three things, and I'm pretty certain that we accomplished all of that. Welcome to my bathroom, and welcome to trying to stay married whilst doing a renovation. Not easy. This thing, so this, it was like shooting water straight out. It was ridiculous. Well, that's much better. It's full throttle. To the cold side. Whoa. Day one update. Oh, so you did. You took it out.
I disconnected it because it's such a big unit.
Yeah.
I just disconnected it. I disconnected the electrical power for it.
Nice. Wow, it looks incredible already. Just the lightness of the walls.
But then this beam came out.
Okay, yeah. So.
And I have to get some edges and put it on there, and then make a cover for this box.
Mm-hmm.
And
that's going to be so nice. All the shelves, that just gave us so much more space. Wow.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It's a mini reno.
Yeah, just a little facelift.
And then of course this comes off, and I had the idea to make this solid. I still might do that. I'm pretty inspired.
We'll see, yeah. I mean, it's an option. Here, Dean is using a technique called skim coating, which is the application of drywall mud to fill in the orange peel texture that can occur from bad paint or improper technique in paint application.
But you can tell,
so flat already.
When it's so flat, it looks so much better.
Looks amazing. Once you just add a little bit of lightness to the walls, it just, the space opens up.
You should ask your people what.
Well, they're gonna see this probably the finished product, or maybe I'll put this in the vlog.
You should get some color ideas.
Actually, that would be nice. We've got blue tile.
I love these tiles.
They're gonna stay. So we're gonna keep the blue tile. But if you have any suggestions for paint color, I want it nice and bright. Not necessarily white, it can get a bit dull, but if you have any suggestions, comment below. I need all the tips, because that is not my area of expertise. But I appreciate lightness and freshness and brightness, That just opened it up so much. That's crazy. It looks like 100 times better. Was it disgusting?
I didn't want to talk about it, so disgusting.
Was it? Wow, it's just, you know what? Shower doors are just, you don't want those doors. Mildew and grossness creeps under there, and it's really repulsive.
Yeah, you do want them.
No, you don't. Fix your hair. You do. I'll give you a haircut.
Chia.
I mean, you got some serious hair growth. My hair doesn't grow that fast. That's amazing.
I know, I just love it. You know why? She just kind of go
Just to grow it out, just get luscious long locks. Yeah, that looks amazing.
You know what the problem is?
What?
The problem is that I hate doing this sometimes because I want to move forward, but I got like this I had to rebuild this area a bit.
Yeah.
And I still got to get one of these corners because the drywall was a little bit messed up. Mm-hmm. So it takes a long time to dry when it's put on a little bit thicker.
Of course.
So
it's gonna look incredible. So I guess we're having baths. No more showers for the...
Well, if you run yourself to
Look how amazing that looks.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
It's all...
Hey, Amanda.
Bye.
Go.
You and your water stains can kiss it. Bye. I'm not sure what day we're at, but check out this loveliness. What a difference. What a difference. Isn't this amazing? So he mudded some more because he had to really get in there with the drywall and, you know, get it all looking beautiful. It looks so good. Oh my God. Look at these bright walls. We ended up going with paper white, Benjamin Moore. Here is the vanity. So this was that dark wood vanity. Dean painted it gray. As you can see, it's even hard to see. This is a bit of a yellow light, but it's a beautiful gray. I mean, it was dark wood, so it's a beautiful gray. It's actually Metropolitan gray, which is in our living room. You know, we're just trying to be resourceful and not spend a ton of money on this bathroom facelift. And I mean, leave it to Dean to find a way. Here's a good example of the difference of color. Original, new. Here we go. So, Dean just got back from Home Depot. I like the look of it. Very nice, very modern, but yet simple. And of course, the water will splash down and not directly in your face. He did end up getting a nice curved one, which is, I didn't know if he would be able to find one. And it's tension. So, well done, brands, and rust proof. Amazing. We do love a very bright white shower curtain, like very hotel style. And then of course, instead of updating the pot lights, we're just gonna buy new light bulbs. So here we are. Oh, and the rings. And of course, a new Johnny ring for the, what is it called? A wax gasket kit for the toilet, you know, as you do. There you go, wonderful. Oh my goodness. Towel racks are back. Toilets installed. Oh, what? Look at this. He installed it. Looks amazing. Love, love, love it. Looks so good. Lights are getting installed. He's already put in the pot lights. Looks great. Oh my God, it looks amazing in here. Absolutely amazing. It's like an entirely different room.
Previously, this had a small bookcase, a sliding door, and housed a central vacuum.
I've got towels and then a few things that were in the washroom, and it's time to put things back, but I want it to be organized. One thing I'm missing are bins and baskets, but honestly, it's really tricky to get that stuff right now because masks and shopping is a giant pain. So it'll come eventually. And then back here, I want to have a nice big mirror, which again, I didn't want to do a reveal without it, but I don't know. We'll see if I can get to HomeSense this week, because HomeSense would also have baskets. See what I can get sorted. But anyway, for now, first step is just get stuff into the washroom. I have a plan to roll the towels. I think that would look nice, but I'm wondering if it's going to be feasible. Anyway, we'll try it out. So towels, products, and then also I'm going to purge the products as I'm going through them, because don't you find you collect a lot of that stuff as you go. So see what I can get rid of and then keep what I actually use. I tried folding the towels, and to be honest, it looked really messy and I didn't like it. So, we're just like a regular old family. I don't have all the matching towels. It's just this is real life. And just came back with, ta-da, the mirror. That's awesome. I like it. It's got a little two-tone situation, little silver, little faux wood look. I like it. Well done.
Welcome to the new and very much improved bathroom. What a change. Goodbye, shower doors. Hello, more space with a curved curtain rod, and Dean removed and uninstalled the heat light. To save a little money, instead of replacing the vanity, a fresh coat of paint and replacing the faucet did the trick to freshen it up in the new space. We kept the original lighting and mirror cabinet, and a friend of mine painted this beautiful painting, and I just love how the colors pop in this space. It's amazing to me how much bigger the shower feels now that the doors are gone. Dean built the shelves and added a natural wood detail to match the frame he made for the painting. And the only thing that's missing are baskets to store some of the products, but I just couldn't find the ones I liked. The mirror is the perfect touch and ties everything together. The space feels like it's doubled in size, and honestly, I am so thrilled with how it turned out.
Boom! It's incredible. I mean, are you not as happy as I am happy? I mean, this bathroom, I just like stand there and look around. Even Esme was standing there going, Mom, the bathroom is so much bigger. And I'm like, it's actually not. It's just the color has opened up the space. And she says, no, Dad moved a wall, because they heard the banging. They heard Dad fixing the wall. They thought Dean had moved the wall that was, between my bedroom and the bathroom, but he just opened up the closet. So I'm telling you, sometimes these little projects have huge impact. I love this bathroom. I love the space. And that's it for this video. However, I've got 2 more videos I think you're gonna love. This video here is the renovation we did to my office space. Let me tell you, it was an experience. We even added a window. And this video here is the full house renovation update. Lots of little projects here and there. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.